In today's video, I'm going to teach you Pages Panel explained in Webflow. The Pages Panel in Webflow is basically your main control center for organizing the structure of your website. If you want a clear view of all your pages, or you need to manage how your site is laid out, this is the place you will be working from. It helps you create new pages, understand the different types of pages available, and keep your project organized as it grows. To open the Pages panel, go to the top left toolbar and click the Pages icon. It looks like a layered document. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the P key on your keyboard. That gives you a quick way to open the panel without interrupting your workflow. Once the panel is open, you will notice that Webflow separates pages into different categories. And understanding these categories is really important. First, there are static pages. These are your standard standalone pages, like a home page, an about page, or a contact page. These pages are typically built individually and are ideal for content that doesn't need to update dynamically from a database. If you are creating core sections of your website, you'll usually be working with static pages. Next, you will see CMS collection pages. These are dynamic template pages used for things like blog posts, portfolio items, or team member profiles. Instead of designing each page one by one, you design a single template and Webflow fills in the content automatically from your CMS data. In the Pages panel, these are color-coded in purple, which helps you quickly identify that they're connected to a database. That color distinction is especially useful when you are managing larger websites. You'll also find utility pages. These are built-in pages that handle functional parts of the site, such as the 404 page, password pages, and search results pages. Even though they're not always the first pages you think about, they are important for the overall user experience and should still be reviewed and customized when needed. Another helpful feature in the Pages panel is folders. Folders allow you to organize your directory structure more clearly. For example, if you want to group all blog-related pages under a /blog folder, folders make that possible. This is especially useful for keeping larger projects neat, structured, and easier to navigate. As you spend more time in Webflow, getting comfortable with the Pages panel will make site management much smoother. It's one of the most important areas for maintaining order and understanding how your website is put together. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.